That white ring on your beautiful wooden table? A wet glass left for too long. It looks like the finish is ruined forever. But don't call a carpenter just yet. The tool you need is in your bathroom. Yes, a simple hairdryer. Here's the magic. First, set your hairdryer to medium heat and a low speed. Point it at the white stain, keeping it a few inches away and constantly moving. You're not burning the wood, you're gently evaporating the moisture that's trapped under the finish. Watch closely. Slowly, like a ghost disappearing, the white ring will just fade away. And in just a minute or two, it's gone. The wood is back to its original beauty. Another piece of furniture saved from disaster. Now, what other permanent problems can we solve?